Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Teaching Foxy. In the last videos we've discussed about the most asked interview questions. We've covered a few questions already. And in this session, in this video, we'll be covering the next question, which is what are your weaknesses? So one very important aspect in this question is don't try and hide, but try and highlight your weakness as a strength. Every individual has a weakness, but highlight your weakness as a strength. So just to give you an example, I will showcase few weaknesses which will be showcased as a strength if you possess them. So be very tactful and be very mindful when you use give an example of a weakness. So here we go, guys. Good afternoon. My weakness, I'm a straightforward person. Because I'm a straightforward person, sometimes people don't like me because I tell them right then and there, and I don't hide things. So sometimes I have people upset because of that. So that is something which I think I'm working on. I'll try and be more. I'll try and be more I'll try and be more diplomatic, and I'm working towards being a little patient and not being very straightforward. Another weakness, I'm a very sensitive person. Sometimes if the person next to me is not right, I get upset. So that is something which I'm working on, and I'll eventually I am looking at not being affected by my surroundings. The third weakness, I'm a very talkative person. So guys, being talkative in certain jobs is actually a strength. If you're in a customer centric job, they need somebody who loves talking. So if you're getting interviewed for a customer centric job, then you are the person for them. So showcase your weakness as a strength, like I told you before. Another weakness which I can tell you, I trust people quickly. Trusting is a good thing, but trusting too quickly can be damaging sometimes. So you can say, my weakness is I trust people quickly, but over a period of time, I've learnt my lessons. But now I be cautious, I take my guard, and then I give time before I trust people. So I'm working on it, and I think I am very cautious now than before. The next weakness which I would like to showcase as a strength is punctuality. You can say I'm a very punctual person. I like to be on time. But if when somebody is not on time, I get very upset. So this is a weakness, but it is actually a strength. In most of the corporate environments, punctuality is of the essence. They want people who value time. They want people who respect others' time. So this weakness will be considered as an attribute to you. And the last weakness I would like to highlight is I like to be tidy. I'm a very tidy person, and when I see my surroundings dirty, I try and clean them, and I make sure unless the surroundings and my area is clean, I don't keep quiet. So that is actually a strength, a weakness showcased as a strength, because everybody likes a tidy person, and you are the person whom people would like to have around. So guys, over here I've showcased some weaknesses which are actually your strengths. Please use them if you think they relate, they align with your capabilities. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.